Welcome back to Smart Dollar Mindset, the channel where we help you master money, make smarter financial choices, and build a future of financial freedom through practical strategies. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because every week we share content that helps you save money, invest wisely, and use financial tools to your advantage. Today's topic is one that can literally put money back in your pocket if you apply it correctly: how to maximize credit card points every single month. Credit card points can be a powerful way to earn rewards on your everyday spending, points that can be redeemed for cash back, travel, or other valuable perks. But here's the problem: most people aren't using their cards to their full potential. They leave points on the table, miss out on bonuses, and fail to take advantage of programs that could save them hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars a year. By the end of this video, you'll know how credit card points work and why understanding them matters. The step-by-step process to maximize points on every purchase. Strategies that pros use to earn more without overspending. Common mistakes to avoid so you don't fall into debt-chasing rewards. How to turn points into real value every single month. If you've ever wondered how some people seem to fly for free or rack up massive cash back rewards, you're about to find out. Let's dive in. What are credit card points and how do they work? Credit card points are rewards you earn for using your credit card to make purchases. For every dollar you spend, you get a certain number of points, often 1 point per dollar, though some cards offer bonus points for specific categories like dining, groceries, or travel. Here's the key: these points are not just random perks, they have real value. Typically, 1 point is worth about 1 cent, though this can vary based on how you redeem it. That means 10,000 points usually equals about $100. But not all points are created equal. Some cards offer transferable points that can be moved to airline or hotel partners for even more value, while others lock you into a specific redemption system. Knowing the rules of your card's program is the first step to maximizing your points. Why maximizing points matters: you're already spending money every month on groceries, bills, dining, entertainment. If you use a debit card or cash, you get nothing back. But if you use the right credit card and pay it off in full, you can earn points that turn into free travel, cash back, or even gift cards. For example, if you spend $2,000 a month and earn 2 points per dollar on average, that's 48,000 points a year, worth at least $480 in rewards. Add sign-up bonuses and smart strategies, and that number can double or triple. Step by step, how to maximize credit card points every month. Step 1. Choose the right card, or cards. Maximizing points starts with the right tool. The best card for you depends on your spending habits. If you travel often, look for a travel rewards card. If you prefer simplicity, choose a flat-rate cash back or points card. Pro tip: some people use multiple cards to cover different categories, like one for dining, one for groceries, and one for travel. Step 2. Understand bonus categories and rotating offers. Many cards offer higher rewards in certain categories, like 3x points on dining or 5x on travel. Some cards even have rotating categories that change every quarter. Knowing these categories and aligning your spending accordingly is a game changer. For example, if your card offers 5% cash back on groceries this quarter, stock up on non-perishable items and gift cards during that period to maximize rewards without overspending. Step 3. Take advantage of sign-up bonuses. Sign-up bonuses are the fastest way to earn a large number of points quickly. Many cards offer bonuses like 50,000 points when you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months. That's worth $500 or more in travel or cash back. The trick is to plan big purchases around your sign-up bonus window, but never spend money you wouldn't normally spend just to hit a bonus. Step 4. Pay attention to payment timing. This might sound basic, but it's crucial. Never carry a balance. The interest you pay will wipe out any benefit from points. Set up automatic payments to ensure your balance is paid in full every month. Step 5. Stack rewards for maximum value. You can combine rewards programs to get extra benefits. For example, use a credit card that earns points when shopping through an online portal that offers cash back. You can even add coupon codes and loyalty programs on top of that. Step 6. Redeem points strategically. How you redeem points determines their value. For example, redeeming points for statement credits or gift cards usually gives you 1 cent per point. Booking travel through your card's portal or transferring points to partners can increase the value to 1.5 cents or more per point. If you want to travel for free, research transfer partners and redemption sweet spots for maximum value. Advanced strategies for point maximization. Use category multipliers, assign specific cards for certain categories and stick to them. Pay bills with credit. Some bills allow credit card payments, just make sure there's no fee. Leverage shopping portals. Many cards have online shopping portals that offer bonus points for purchases from partner retailers. Refer friends. Some cards offer referral bonuses for inviting others to apply. Plan big expenses around promotions. If you know you're making a large purchase, check for limited time offers or bonuses. Common mistakes to avoid: carrying a balance. Paying interest destroys the value of rewards. Overspending. Buying things you don't need just for points is a financial trap. Ignoring fees. High annual fees can eat into your rewards if you're not using benefits fully. Not redeeming strategically. Points can lose value if redeemed for low value options like merchandise. Real life example of point maximization. Let's say you have two cards, one that earns 3x points on dining and another that earns 5x on groceries. If you spend $500 on dining and $600 on groceries each month, that's 1,500 points from dining and 3,000 from groceries, 4,500 points monthly, or 54,000 points a year. Add in a 50,000 point sign-up bonus, and you've earned over 100,000 points in a year, worth at least $1,000 in rewards. Final thoughts. Understanding the landscape of credit card rewards can significantly enhance your financial strategy. Start by selecting the right cards that align with your spending habits, such as cards that offer enhanced rewards for grocery shopping, dining out, or travel. Keep track of rotation categories that many rewards cards offer each quarter, ensuring you maximize your earnings in those areas. Additionally, take time to familiarize yourself with sign-up bonuses, which can provide substantial point boosts within the first few months. Ultimately, staying organized and proactive will help you reap financial benefits while ensuring you don't fall prey to unnecessary debt. Make a habit of reviewing your card's benefits regularly and be sure to adjust your strategy as promotions change. This vigilance will enable you to capitalize on opportunities, like limited time offers or increased redemption bonuses, that can significantly enhance your point collection. Furthermore, set reminders for payment due dates to avoid late fees, ensuring your efforts remain rewarding rather than detrimental. Remember, the goal is to create a seamless integration of responsible spending and point accumulation that reinforces your overall financial well-being. Always be wary of new offers that appear enticing. Do the math first to confirm they truly benefit your financial strategy. By mastering these principles, you place yourself at the forefront of financial empowerment, transforming ordinary spending into extraordinary rewards. As you navigate this path, always prioritize responsible financial habits, ensuring that every point earned contributes positively to your financial future. Embrace the journey towards savvy spending and watch your rewards flourish. If this video gave you value, hit that like button, subscribe to Smart Dollar Mindset, and share it with anyone who wants to make their credit cards work for them instead of against them. And don't forget to check out our other videos on credit, budgeting, and investing to level up your financial knowledge.